I'm gonna show you how you can make the most delicious rib roast you've ever had. It's gonna be juicy and it's gonna be tender and it's gonna be cooked in the most inventive way you've ever seen. It all starts with a beautiful rib roast. This is an Irish grass-fed ribeye on the bone. And the first step is to clean it off. I want to get rid of some of the fat, but most importantly, the silver skin that lays on top of this meat. That's going to make it tough and prevent the flavors from going into the meat. The next step is to create a good steak rub. Of course, we're going to season it well, put some spoons in it, put it on a skewer and set it on my Napoleon rotisserie grill. Load up the tray with butter, add some oregano, and then just let the spoons work their magic, basting this roast automatically while it turns around. Look at the crust that's forming on the outside. And while I'm using the meter thermometer to keep an eye on the temperature, I know this is going to be magic.